In a quiet village lived a poor boy named Leo. His house was small and broken. The roof leaked and the walls were weak. At night, cold air came inside. Leo slept on the floor with his thin shirt and dreamed of a better life. Leo lived with his mother. She was very sick and could not work much. Every morning, Leo woke up early. He cooked rice, cleaned the house, and helped his mother sit up. He smiled even when his heart felt heavy. Leo walked to school barefoot. The road was long and painful. Other children wore clean clothes and shoes. They laughed at Leo's torn shirt and broken bag. He felt sad, but he never stopped going to school. He believed learning was his only way out. At lunchtime, Leo had no food. He drank water and waited. His stomach hurt, but he listened in class and learned every word. After school, he worked hard. He cleaned shops, carried bags, and collected bottles to sell. His hands were small, but his dreams were big. One day, Leo's teacher noticed him. She saw his kindness and hard work. She helped him with books and food. She told him, "You are special. Never stop believing." Those words stayed in Leo's heart. Years passed. Life slowly became better. Leo studied day and night. He won a scholarship. His mother received medical help and became stronger. Their house was repaired. For the first time, rain did not fall inside. One morning, Leo wore new shoes and a clean uniform. His mother smiled with tears in her eyes. "You did it," she said. Leo hugged her tightly. Many years later, Leo returned to the village, not as a poor boy, but as a successful man. He built a small school and helped poor children for free. He gave them books, food, and hope. Leo once cried in the dark. Now he smiled in the light. His life changed because he never gave up, and his story ended not in sadness, but in happiness, love, and hope. Years later, life changed. Leo finished his studies and found a good job. His mother became healthy again and smiled every day. They moved into a small but clean house. There was food on the table and light in the room. Leo never forgot his past. He helped poor children with books, clothes, and kind words. He built hope where there was once pain. The boy who once cried at night now laughed in the sun. His pockets were no longer empty, but more important, his heart was full. And Leo lived a happy life, proud of his journey and thankful for every step.